To activate color, press the color button at the bottom of the screen. To move the color box, press the center and drag to the desired location. To adjust the size of the box, press the corner and slide in or out. To adjust the gain, select the gain button and incrementally adjust by tapping the arrows up or down. You can also slide your finger up and down. And you can slide up or down on the color bar. To steer your color box, press the steer button. To adjust the scale, press the scale button. You can incrementally adjust it by pressing the up or down arrow or by moving the slide bar up or down. You may want to decrease the scale for lower flow and increase for faster flow. Press invert to invert the color scheme. To activate PDI, select the PDI button. The adjustments to the color box, location, size, gain, steer, and scale can be made in PDI as they were in Color Doppler.